Bang. Jager hot dogs, homeboy. We gotta get some hot dogs in there. That should be enough, right? Let's boil these boys up. Bingo. So we open our Red Bull, get a little bit in here. You don't need a lot. But right there is good. Get our ketchup. All right. Y'all don't be gagging, okay? This is good stuff. I just got my wings. Okay, all right. Jager time. You want to poke out, homeboy? Get some pokes in there. It's a really good year. So we can leave this for a few hours and let's hope for the best. I've never done this before. I don't think anybody has. The burn. Woo! That one burned. I ain't making that up, homeboy. Let's hit the frying pan. It's just a light little fry, just to heat them up, you know? You want cold hot dogs. See, all of you now going, ooh, that's disgusting. But if this was some expensive restaurant, we go, no, okay, we have gourmet hot dogs in a light Jager roast. You ought to be like, wow, that's delicious. Come back over with a nice little bit here. Okay, I think we're good. It's got a nice little Jager coat on that. And that is beautiful, guys. Nice little Jager coat. So let's start off with our mayo. Mustard. Oh yeah. You know you want to try this. And there you have it. Jager Bomb Hot Dog. All right, all right, all right. By the way, that Jager sauce, that's gonna be sweet. I swallowed, okay? I swallowed, just so you all know, I spit out. This good stuff, all right? Drink responsibly, eat responsibly. Don't drink and, don't eat and drive. Stay tipsy.